In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code for Google Drive folder. By the end, you'll have a scannable code that opens a specific Google Drive folder, perfect for posters, handouts, or quick sharing without typing long links. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and head to your Drive home. Locate the folder you want to share and click it to select it. We're going to make sure the folder's link will work for anyone who scans your QR code, so open the Share options. In the sharing window, you'll see the current link setting. If it says restricted, that means only specific people can access it. Click restricted to change it, then choose anyone with the link. This setting makes the folder accessible to anyone who has the link, which is essential for a QR code to work reliably. If you only want people to view the files and not make changes, keep the default access as viewer. If your organization has link sharing limitations, you may see a slightly different label, but choose the option that allows anyone with the link to view. Now click Copy Link to add the folder's link to your clipboard, and then click Done to close the sharing window. With your shareable link ready, open a new browser tab and go to qrcodegenerator.com. On the home page, you'll see a field to enter a URL. Paste the Google Drive folder link that you just copied. The generator will recognize it and prepare your QR code preview automatically. From here, you can customize the look of your QR code. Pick a style that fits your brand or purpose. Adjust the colors, pick a frame, or tweak the design elements. Keep readability in mind. Strong contrast between the code and the background and a clear margin around the edges will help scanners recognize it instantly. When you're happy with the preview, download your QR code. Choose JPG for general use like slides or emails, or select the print quality option if you're creating posters, flyers, or anything that needs crisp, high-resolution output. Save the file somewhere easy to find so you can reuse it whenever you need. A quick tip before you share widely: scan the QR code with your phone's camera to confirm it opens the folder as expected. If it doesn't, double check that the folder is set to anyone with the link and that you pasted the correct URL. That's it. Your Google Drive folder is now just a scan away, making it faster and more convenient for people to access your files.